Today, we will talk about how to make money online in 2024. The internet continues to be a treasure trove of opportunities for earning a living, and 2024 offers even more ways to generate income online. With advancements in technology, the rise of AI, the growth of e-commerce, and the expansion of content platforms, virtually anyone with access to the internet can find a way to make money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, here's an in-depth exploration of the most effective ways to earn online this year. 10. Social media monetization. Social media platforms are more than just tools for staying connected. They've evolved into lucrative money-making platforms. Influencers and creators on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat can monetize their content in various ways, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling their own products, and direct audience support through features like tips and subscriptions. The secret to success lies in producing engaging, high-quality, and consistent content that resonates with a specific target audience. Niche influencers, those focusing on specific areas like fitness, beauty, or personal finance, are especially popular. 9. Gaming and streaming. Gaming has transcended mere entertainment to become a robust income stream. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and Facebook Gaming allow gamers to earn through ads, sponsorships, subscriptions, and fan donations. Top streamers can make millions, but even smaller streamers can earn a decent income with a dedicated audience. In 2024, the gaming industry continues to evolve, with growing opportunities in VR, virtual reality, gaming, and NFT-based gaming economies. Aspiring gamers can create content by offering tutorials, reviewing games, or competing in tournaments. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves earning commissions by promoting products or services through unique referral links. This method requires minimal investment and can yield significant income if done strategically. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASL, ClickBank, and CG Affiliate are excellent starting points. The key to success in 2024 is authenticity. Audiences are becoming more discerning, so building trust is critical. Affiliates who align their promotions with their brand or expertise, whether in fashion, tech, fitness, or home improvement, see better results. Blogs, YouTube videos, and social media posts are common mediums for sharing affiliate links and attracting clicks. 7. Freelancing, selling your expertise. Freelancing is a versatile way to earn money, allowing individuals to monetize their skills without committing to a traditional job structure. In-demand skills in 2024 include graphic design, writing, digital marketing, coding, video editing, and AI-related expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal connect freelancers with clients across the globe. You can choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects you're passionate about. Building a strong portfolio and gaining positive reviews are crucial for attracting high-paying clients. Specialized niches, such as blockchain development or AI model training, offer particularly lucrative opportunities. 6. Selling digital products. The demand for digital products, ebooks, templates, music, and software continues to grow in 2024. These products have the advantage of being scalable. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Popular platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to list and sell digital items. For instance, productivity templates, budgeting spreadsheets, and AI-generated art tutorials are hot sellers. High-quality digital products combined with effective marketing strategies can lead to a sustainable income stream. 5. Online tutoring and courses. Online education remains a lucrative market. With the rise of e-learning platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera, experts in almost any field can share their knowledge and earn money. Whether you're skilled in coding, cooking, or personal development, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Interactive courses and one-on-one tutoring sessions are especially popular in 2024. Live webinars, which allow real-time interaction, also attract a premium. Building a personal brand and promoting your courses through social media or a personal website can help you stand out in this competitive market. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce has revolutionized how people shop, and platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce have made it easier than ever to set up an online store. Dropshipping is an excellent model for those who want to avoid the hassle of managing inventory. You can partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipping, leaving you free to focus on marketing and customer service. Leveraging platforms like TikTok for viral marketing campaigns can significantly boost sales. Partnering with influencers is also a powerful strategy for driving traffic to your store. 3. Content creation, blogging, YouTube, and podcasts. Content creation remains a powerful way to generate online income. Bloggers earn through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content, while YouTubers monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships. Podcasts are also gaining popularity, with hosts earning from sponsorships, listener donations, and premium episodes. In 2024, platforms like Patreon and Substack enable creators to establish subscription-based models, ensuring a steady income stream. The most successful creators focus on niche topics, consistently providing valuable and engaging content that builds a loyal audience over time. 2. Cryptocurrency and online trading. Cryptocurrencies continue to be a lucrative but volatile investment opportunity. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and eToro make trading accessible to beginners and experts alike. The rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, and AI-driven trading bots has simplified trading strategies. In 2024, emerging blockchain technologies and innovative cryptocurrencies offer high profit potential. However, this market demands a thorough understanding of risks, trends, and strategies to navigate successfully. Courses, forums, and trading simulations can help you gain confidence before diving in. 1. Remote work and virtual assistants. The shift to remote work has created countless opportunities for online employment. Companies hire remote workers for roles such as customer support, project management, and data analysis. Platforms like Remote.co, FlexJobs, and WeWork remotely provide extensive job listings. They handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. As businesses increasingly rely on remote teams, reliable virtual assistants who deliver high-quality work can secure long-term, high-paying clients. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.